This bikini top is amazing, guys. It's the Aqua Eve Retro Underwire push-up bra. I bought this because I was having trouble with support and keeping my ladies in the right place, if you know what I mean. And this one is amazing. I am like a 32C and I got the small. It is an amazing, perfect fit. You can adjust the straps, both of them. And then there's an adjustment here, but not like the whole way around, if that makes sense. It stays in place. It is really supportive and comfortable and so cute. This comes by itself. I pair it with like a swim skirt that I love that's high-waisted. Here is a look at the inside. They are kind of molded cups. So again, helping you just keep the shape. Just really comfy and supportive. Regular bathing suit kind of material, very smooth. This kind of comes right here and then under here. And then here's the underwire. It goes all the way up to here. But then this feels like a little bit of boning as well. So it just like really keeps you in place. If you have kids, grandkids, whatever, you're not gonna fall out. You're not gonna worry about that. It's a gorgeous material. This is floral. I love this pattern. So cute. I love it. And I know you will too.